Rental Manager is a page where you can create new rentals, view a list of current rentals, edit and manage them. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Select Rental in the Main Menu tab. Click the Rental Manager button. To create a new rental, click the Add Rent button. When the item's going out for fitting, you should toggle the flat rate switch, after which the payment column will automatically reflect the amount you have previously entered as the amount the customer will be charged in the case of a flat rate. Also, if you enable the flat rate function, you cannot specify the end date of the rental because you have previously specified how many days the flat rate will be valid when filling out the flat rate. For detailed instructions on how to fill in the flat rate fields, please watch the video tutorial. If your customer rents samples, then you don't need the flat rate feature. To add samples, click the Add from Inventory button. A window will be displayed with a complete list of rental samples. Please note that the rental sample list only includes samples that you have marked as archived in the Sample Manager or marked as rental when adding a new sample. To find the desired rental sample, use the filters for a quick search or select them from the full list. To add a sample to the rental list, click the Select button. Click the X button to close the window. Pull down your contact list and select the desired contact who rents items from you. Use text search to quickly find them. Click on the calendar and select the date from which the customer is renting the items. Click on the calendar and select the date until which the customer is renting the samples. If you specify a rental end date of more than 3 to 10 days, the rate you have previously specified in the rental conditions form will automatically be applied and added to the total fee. For example, rate any items kept out longer than 10 days, will be charged a production rate of 1.5x the weekly rate and can be kept out for 12 weeks. After 12 weeks, the rental cycle will restart. For detailed instructions on filling in the rental conditions parameters, see the video tutorial. When selecting a sample, rental prices will be automatically entered if you have previously specified a price in the rental price field when adding the sample from the Sample Manager. If you have not previously specified a price, then the price field will remain 0 and you can enter prices here. Enter the sample rental prices in the price fields. You also have the option to enter a discount amount in percentage for each specific sample. After filling in the fields, the total amount will be automatically calculated and displayed in detail, taking into account rental prices and discounts. If you want to remove an item from the list, click the Delete button. If desired, enter a note in the field. To complete the rent, click the Complete Rent button, where the final total amount will also be indicated. The rental management page shows a complete list of rentals. To quickly find the desired rental, you can use the Quick Search field, after which only those rentals that match the text you entered will remain in the list. To cancel the filter and return to the full list, click the X button. To view the rent in detail or make changes, click the Edit button. Make the desired change to the rental, for example, add a sample to the rental list. To confirm the change, click the Complete Rent button. Information about the successful comparison of the changes made will appear in the upper right corner of the screen. To close the rental and return the samples, click the Return button. When a customer returns samples on time, mark them as returned. If the sample requires cleaning after it is returned, check the appropriate checkbox. After checking, the cleaning price will be automatically added to the order total list. If the customer did not return the item and lost it, check the appropriate box. If the item is returned in a damaged condition, check the appropriate box. If the sample had a hanger when rented and it was not returned or was returned in a damaged condition, check the appropriate box. If the sample had a clothes bag when rented and it was not returned or was returned in a damaged condition, check the appropriate box. If desired, make a text entry. All additional costs you have marked will be added to the total amount as an extra charge. The amount of all additional expenses, cleaning price, lost item fee, cost of repair, clothes hanger price, clothes bag are pre-written by you on the rental conditions page, which you can change at any time. To complete the rental, click the Save button. Information about the successful comparison of the changes made will appear in the upper right corner of the screen.